Alright, so Samsung just dropped not one, not two, but three foldable phones, the Fold7, the Flip7 and the new Flip7 FE. The new lineup is thinner, smarter and there's more AI than ever before. But what's it like to use, and are these the foldables that Samsung promised us 5 years ago? Let's go check them out.
Let's start with the Fold. The Fold7 might look familiar at first glance, but the moment you pick it up, it hits differently. At 215 grams, it's 24 grams lighter than last year's Fold 6 and 61 grams lighter than the first Fold. It's thinner too, slipping down from 12.1 mm folded to 8.9 mm. Unfolded, it's possibly the thinnest at just 4.2 mm from 5.6 mm on the Fold 6, and you feel the difference. Close it and the 6.5-inch outer screen finally feels usable, unlike the Fold 6 narrower 6.3-inch cover display. It's now 21:9 instead of the awkward 22.1:9, which means typing, scrolling or just using it one-handed feels less like a compromise. Open it up and the Fold7 goes to an 8-inch inner display, which is 11% lighter than the Fold 6's 7.6-inch panel, brighter too and just more immersive overall. Now let's talk build. Samsung didn't just shave grams, the hinge is redesigned with titanium and an upgraded water droplet design, so it folds smoother and hides the crease better than before. It's more durable, more pocketable and just more polished. Samsung still sticking with the same IP48 rating as last year, so you're covered for water splashes, but don't expect full dust resistance just yet. The camera system also leaps ahead. Gone is the 50 megapixel wide shooter from the Fold 6. This year you get a full-blown 200 megapixel sensor, and the 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera gets autofocus and doubles up as a macro lens. It's now also capable of recording in 10-bit HDR, and instead of the under-display camera, we now get a 10 megapixel punch hole camera. But what really makes the Fold7 shine is that this and the Flip7 are the first devices to run on One UI 8 based on Android 16 out of the box. Last year's Fold dipped its toes into AI waters. This year, Gemini Live can now see what you see and answer questions in real time. You can circle to search during gameplay and get real-time gaming tips on how to defeat the enemy. If Fold 6 was Samsung proving foldables could be premium, Fold7 is them showing it can be ultra without the bulk. Now the Flip7. Flip 6 already nailed the basics: big inner display, decent cameras and a slick flip mechanism, but Flip 7 pushes it further where it counts. The outer cover screen is now bigger at 4.1 inches, up from 3.4 on the Flip 6, and it's not just bigger, it's smarter. You can use widgets, reply to messages, run apps, talk to Gemini and even take photos without opening the phone. And it's finally bright enough to see clearly outdoors with a claimed peak brightness of 2600 nits. What's wild is that they've packed all of this into thinner, lighter frame, while the Flip7 keeps the same 188 gram weight, but it feels more refined thanks to a narrower hinge and better durability with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and Armor Aluminium. You still get IP48 protection, which is great for water resistance but not exactly dust proof. It slips into your pocket like it's not even there, but unfolds to a full 6.9-inch display. Battery life is expected to be a bit better since it packs a 4300 mAh battery and is powered by the Exynos 2500 processor. Camera-wise, Flip7 and the Flip 6 share a similar setup, a 50 megapixel wide and a 12 megapixel ultra wide, but the newer model leans harder into AI. You get real-time filters on the cover screen and the new zoom slider makes everyday photography fun again. So what's the takeaway? Fold7 is Samsung at its most ambitious. It fixes what the Fold 6 couldn't: weight, width, camera and screen usability. Flip7 is the most well-rounded foldable for everyday life, more fun, more practical and now even desktop capable.
So which one out of these are you picking? Let us know in the comments, and thanks for watching.